calendar year 2013, Police Officer 1 Regular Mission Recruitment Program, I hereby appoint you as Police Officer 1, temporary status effective December 11, 2013. I state your name. State your address. Having been appointed to the position of Police Officer 1, hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and all other that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authority of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.